Hello guys, today I've got OneOdio FOCUS A5 headphones and I'm going to show you how to switch between ANC and transparency mode using your headphones. So, using your ANC button, which is actually right here, you can switch between ANC, transparency mode and normal mode. One click. Transparency mode, one click. ANC mode, one click. Normal mode. But we've got another option. When you enter the ANC mode, which is... Wait a moment, I need to turn it on. Ambient sound on. Now we've got ANC on. So once you hear that noise cancelling is on, double click this button. It will enable the ANC button. It will enable AI-based adaptive noise cancellation mode. And actually, that's how to switch. Bye!